Play the ball. Number 8. Pass to Opiniano. No good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 13. To number 16. To Billy Nunes. Connecting points. Number 29 to the ball. Number 29 na ginagapasahan to number shot knock down to 15 to number 8 tumira ng 3. Wala rebound! Nawala sila sa bulang. Bulang sa liwayway. Right now. Number 31 to the ball. Number 31. Shot knocked down to 15, number 21 to number 29. Moves the board, go good. Opiniano. Wala! Magkapit na rin. Bula sa liwayway. This game is watched by Body Goals. Number 16, Ulan Chain and 2 points. Number 31, pass to number 8. 8-point lead, Eden. Shot lock down to 15. Number 8, number 9, steal. Number steal. Ulan Chain by number 31 to 2 points. Pass way to number 16, number 1 to number 13 to 2 points. Wala rin assist kayo. Orang gitu yun. Number 21, pass to number 8, fake, number 8, go good, rebound number 16. Number 16 to number 20, go game na lang, good now. Number 31 to number 8, naman left. Same ball. He scored 34-26. Napaulo ang Eden. Shot clock na to 18 seconds. Number 8 to number 31. Shot clock down to 15. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, dribble. Steal by number 29. Number 29. 2 points. DIY Marketing Corporation. Number 8, the big ball, pass to number 29. Shot knocked down to 15. Number 29, lubos on. Foul with a foul. Foul number 13, lucky foul. Number 13, first personal foul. And first team foul, DIY. Shot knocked down to Controversies Lucas. Number 8, use the board for 2 points. Number 22, Ulan Chain, 2 points. 5 Mr. Juanes. Number 31 to the ball, shot locked down to 15. Number 31 to number 8, Ulan Chain. Number rebound, broke down. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 8. Number 16 to go. Ulan Chain. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 15. They're taking the ball. Pass to number 8. Shot knocked down to 15. Tumira ng 3. Corner. 2 points. Number 8. Laki na kayo na. I-Judy Ugman. number 22, Suarez to number 13, to Hernandez. Voila! Rebound by number 16, Faith to have 2 points. Napuno the foul to number 31 for 9 points. Suarez to number 13, to middle of the line. For 2 points. Number 29 to number 31.
Guys, habol guys.
15 seconds shoot. Open yellow ball trade to 2 points. Number 21 to number 15, Faye, looking for a foul. Still number 13, number 16, rebound. Number 16, to Suarez with 2 points. Nakuhaan si Opiniano. Ipanik siyang kauban. Shot clock down to 15. Shot clock down to 10. Number 8. No good. Rebound number 35. Pass back to Suarez. And Koisla. Number 8, still number 25 to Suarez. Suarez sa kamalay. Suarez pass to number 16. Back to Royce. Lupa. Nalayaw. Shout out to Rimarqua. Second play. Shot clock down to 15. Shot clock down to 10. 50 seconds. To 2 points. Number 16, Faye, Lane, wala. Rebound by Opinion, Lagiana, Kebriones. Seconds for the third quarter. Shot clock down to 15 seconds. Shot clock down to 10. 10 seconds. Number 31, no good. Rebound number 25, pass break, play. 5 seconds, pass break for Jake. He scored 49-46. La Paulo